All right, we're heading back to India. We're going to talk to Samit from iSpagro. Round of applause.
Hello everyone, I'm Samit Rao from iSpagro. We are specialized in drones for specific work, manufacturing the drones for specific works. So we have identified the problems in agricultural field and we have come up with a drone solution for the plantation field. So when it comes to plantation, we have chosen beetle net plantation and cocknet plantation. And the problem here is with the farmers, they don't get the skilled labor to do the spraying jobs of the pesticides. So ultimately resulting in the crop loss. So what next? So we have come up with a solution called hollow-based quad, which is HBQ, which climbs a tree and sprays the pesticides. And once it climbs one tree, it will spray the pesticide to 10 adjacent trees. And this technology is a patented technology in India. It has a tethered power supply and with the spraying unit too. And it can be controlled with a mobile application. And to understand it better, we will see a video. So with this technology, we are reducing the labor risks involved, and also we are seeing to that the task is achieved. So when it comes to business model, we are going with the service model with 20 USD per spray per acre. With an average of 5 acre per farmer of land to be serviced, we will be having 300 USD with per 3 spray per year. So we are also going to make money from royalty and from the selling of software licensing. And when it comes to market for plantation only, like we have a global market of 13 billion and Indian market of 3 billion and obtainable 1% market of 30 million. And when it comes to traction, we have done a pilot project of 1,500 USD and we have estimated revenue potential up to 1.1 million from all these three clients, namely ARDF, Camco and Firefly Life Sciences. When it comes to competitors, there is no real competitors in our area, as we are the only first company to come up with such kind of technique. So our core team, everybody comes from the engineering background. Our CEO and founder Avinash Rao, he has 12 years of experience in Honeywell, and our COO Atishay Jain, he is a co-founder. He has 11 years experience with Capgemini. And our co-founder, Professor Kamlesh Kumar, he has 7 years of research experience with Manipal University. And our director, Praveen Joshi, has an experience of 15 years with Cisco, and he was ex-director for Cisco United States. And myself, head business development, have 4 years of experience in business development. And our ask is 700K. So this money we will be using for team growth, for the pilot projects, for the geographical expansion in India, for the R&D, and for the initial OPEX. And I would also like to tell you that we are not only restricted with one product, we are also going to soon coming up with a tethered swarm technology for the open fields. Yes. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Nice job.